my dear fellow future scientists. As you all know, myself, artist Pravalika with chemist Shishmita. Shishmita, do you know, I have so many hidden talents and I want to unveil one of them today.
Oh, you have hidden talents. I thought only your knowledge is hidden to me. Okay, anyways, show me now.
You can making fun of me, right? Now see my magic.
Oh, it's magic. Then I'm interested.
Now I am taking the C6H10H5N.
Wait, what is C6H10O5N?
Well, as you are a chemist, don't you know the formula for a paper?
Oh, it's not the formula for the paper. It's the formula for the cellulose which the paper is mostly made up of.
Okay then, now I am taking the paper. Now I apply turmeric fully on this. Now it's time for the magic. Wait and watch.
Wow, it's a beautiful flower painting. You can gift this to your science teachers to impress them.
Well, it's a nice idea though. Well, how is the magic?
You tried your level best to trick me. But you know what? I'm in class 11 science. So I know the turmeric is a natural indicator of acid and base, and when you added the base, which is nothing but the detergent solution, to it, it became deep red. And when you again you are trying to add lemon, it is again becoming colorless. So you are using lemon as the eraser. Now, I think it's my time to show my talent.
Yes.
Now I think it's my time to show my talent.
Well, chemists also have talents rather than knowledge.
Tit for tat, right?
Yes.
Never mind. So I'm taking a white cotton cloth and adding phenolphthalein to it. Now I think I'm going to...
Oh my god! If I take this to my home, my mother will definitely kill me. Pravalika, please use your artistic skills to remove the stain.
Don't worry, there is nothing much to do. It's just the base fallen on this. Now let me use my artistic skills to remove the stain.
Wow, what you did! What you did?
It's just a base fallen on this.
Actually, when we add base to the phenolphthalein, it turns purplish in color. And when we again add acid to it, it becomes colorless.
Nice, I studied it long back, that's why I forget.
As a chemist, you don't know. Okay, never mind. Titanium, helium, argon, neon, uranium. Try to guess what I am trying to convey to them.
Oh, not again. You're trying to convey them thank you using chemistry.
Yes. Okay then. Thank you all. Happy Science Day.